Welcome back to Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a thick, creamy milk tea at home from scratch. Let's get started. Alright, so first up we're going to add about 2 cups of milk to our pot here. You can use your own choice of milk. We're using whole milk right here, but you can also use coconut or soy. We're going to turn on the heat. And we're going to slowly bring this up to 190 degrees. And we're going to keep stirring just so we don't separate that milk. Alright, now that we got that at 190 degrees, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of Assam tea. You can add up to 2 tablespoons if you want it stronger. I'm going to just put that directly in there. We're going to let that steep for about 5 minutes. Alright, now that that's been steeping for 5 minutes, we're going to take our strainer here. We're going to separate the tea leaves from the milk mix. And there we go, we have 2 cups of tea infused milk. Now we're just going to rinse out our pot. Alright, now we're going to add a 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, and a dash of salt. And then into there we're going to pour our infused tea. Alright, now that says we're going for about a minute. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to help bring out that sweetness. Make sure we get that fully incorporated in there. Turn off the heat. Now we're ready to serve. Now we're going to take out our spoon, and pour our tea into here. Serve it hot with tapioca or serve over ice so you have some nice cold. There we go. And there we have our thick creamy milk tea from scratch. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.